Hi there, I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. Fresh out this morning, one of the top sellers. It's called Canvastic AI Printables Profits from Becky Beach. That's a mouthful. And if I just said Canva AI, that would start to get you on the right track of this. And so what it's all about is not just using Canva. We've seen that. Not just using AI. It's kind of weird, but it makes stuff, puts stuff together for you. There's such a thing as Canva AI, which is AI working inside Canva. And this is a $27 guide from Becky Beach. So she does these kind of things. I'm going to give you a quick look inside. I'll mention you click the link in the video description. It'll take you to my site at marketingsharks.com. There is a bit of a quick description about, the kind of things that it puts together and what you can do. And then a description of the upgrade offers. And you click either the product box or the link and bam, you're here. So that's Becky Beach. I'm going to scream through $27, like I said. Let's go down to, here we go. What she wants is usable. So she's like, hey, AI can create stuff, but what you want is something that somebody goes and knows what they're doing with it. And you're doing a thing for them. That's the important part. So you're saving them time. You're creating a template, a planner, so on. You can watch the demo there. You'll walk away with understanding of how to use Canva AI, create products faster and better, and design with user experience in mind. That's our whole thing, so the products feel intuitive and high value. So I'm going to skip through this, and here you go. Look at this. So this is Magic Design. This is all Canva AI inside Canva. So Magic Design gives you layouts with built-in spacing logic, readable. Magic Write helps you draft scannable content. Text image supports your design. You can enter things in there. And I'm going to scroll down to where the actual parts of what's inside the course. That's what we want to see. So foundations, why Canva AI works for profit, product ideas and monetization paths. So we're getting there. Creating with Canva AI, core skills. Here's how you use it, right? And they're showing you on exact things they're putting together. User experience and design that converts. Pricing, sales, and delivery systems. How do you sell these things? Launching and growth, and then optimization, real-world application, and away you go. And they say how systems beat hustle. And what that means is it doesn't help you to make 10 of these things. If nobody wants them, you've got to make a pretty much good, usable, in-demand kind of thing, whether it's a plan or a template, whatever. Here you go pair it with simple tools for selling and delivery. Thrivecart, Etsy, PayHip, Shopify, Aweber, MailChimp, payments through Stripe, PayPal, Square, and then you go. So that's kind of your tools. There's some bonuses that come with this. AI prompt creator, a couple of templates, some more templates. So you get the idea. You're going to start from this and you're going to be able to go. So let me just go back to this. Here's a template for the budget planner. Oh, so that's a couples one, and you get the idea. You can sell that yourself, right? You have MRR, but you also can edit it. So if couples budget planner works, how about, I don't know, fireman's budget planner, teacher's budget planner? You get the idea. Here we go with the Canva template for all the other parts. And again, you can edit this however you want, and you can sell it on Etsy. Survey form. So find out what products they want to buy next. So what are you looking for? And then how to create interactive games and quizzes using Canva AI prompts. So this is another form of things. There's more than just planners. There's all sorts of things you can create. Becky Beach puts it all together. And how much is it? There's some great testimonials. And the end of it all is $27. So click the link in the video description. It's going to take you to my site at marketingsharks.com. You either click the product box or the link at the bottom, and you get a description and the upgrade offers that are there. And then you click this and you come and you can scroll down and grab this for $27 and start creating printables. You have your own resale rights to a couple of things already that are in here. And then they're going to show you everything about how to create using AI, Canva AI. And you can see in there that you can also, you'll see what I mean. You'll be able to create things, edit things, change things, alter them. Again, if you have something for couples, now then you change it to a different market. It's kids starting out, budget planner, and so on. You get the idea. So click the link, go check it out. It's called Canvastic AI Printables Profits from Becky Beach. Click the link, go check it out. Enjoy.